Look at my purse. I hope you like this everything Hello Kitty makeup tutorial. In honor of Hello Kitty 50th anniversary, let's do an all Hello Kitty makeup tutorial. Sweetheart, these are the colors. More like a neutral. Great for fall. Already played in this one. Look at that shimmer. Hot cocoa and strawberry. That first color right in the crease. I'm gonna go into this glitter here and put that right in the center. Radiance liquid. Ooh. Touch it top. Neutral 26. Love this foundation. I wish they had bronzing sticks to do under here too. Just to snatch up my jaw. This is the Hello Kitty brushes. Cranberry Crush Pigment. Oh my god. Place our concealer down. Oh, I really like the placement of this brush. It fit perfectly under the eye. Because it's like really pointy. You see how it's angled? You could go down the nose like really well. Up here. This is so good. Yes. Cutesy Hello Kitty sponge. Look how cute that is. Set the blush. This is Watermelon Bliss from House Lab. Fenty Mocha Mommy to set my contour because they don't have a darker one for me, so we're cheating again. We have 6 different eyeliner and lip. I'm just gonna use this as eyeliner and lip liner. Tight line first. Twinkie in the waterline. Chestnutty and hot cocoa that I do on the outside, we're gonna put that on the bottom. We're just gonna finish the eye. 3 different highlighter to choose from. Ombre blush, Trio Illuminator. Okay, it's just like a white. I don't know. I'm going with Trio Illuminator. Oh my god. What the heck? You could see me from space, literally. It's so pretty. I've never had a highlighter this blinding before. It may be my favorite thing from the collection. Look at this blinded. Oh. Brows are on. For mascara, I have 2 options, black or a brown. I think I'm going with black. So I changed and everything. Now I'm gonna go in with my shimmer glitter mascara. This is the one. For lippies, I have 3 options. Magic Apple, the red one, Sugar Kiss, the middle, and Sweet Delight. Sugar Kiss, and we're gonna put that all over the lips. It's like barely anything. Where's the pigment? I don't see anything. Okay, there you go. Yeah, let's just put this on top. Okay. That looks way much better. That's what I'm talking about. I'm using Winterberry. I'm going to show you that in a minute because I need more pigment. I don't feel like myself. Hello Kitty blush. This is Winterberry to put on some little more. I feel like myself. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the look. It was a lot of trials and error in this video. My battery's about to die. I have like 10 battery left. But yeah, I even put on my shirt to match. Bye guys.